Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Universal Analytics property in Google Analytics. First of all, open your Google Analytics. Select your website from here. Now go to the property section. Click on the create property. Type name of your website. Select reporting time zone. Select currency. Click on show advanced options. Turn on create a Universal Analytics property. Now type your website link. Now if you already created Google Analytics 4 property, then select create a Universal Analytics property only. Click on next. Now select the category for your website. Select your business size. Select the options which you want to use in Google Analytics. Click on Create. Now we successfully created Universal Analytics property for our website. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then please like and share this video. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment below. If you don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel.